Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a new summer and we've been living in this apartment for a year now, and I thought it would be a great opportunity to give you guys a house tour. And also we cleaned yesterday, so I thought it would be a great opportunity. So let's go. So now we're in the hallway. Oh, soccer balls. So I really like this hallway. It's not too big, not too small, but it has a lot of great storage. So I really like that. And if we go this way, we're going into my kids' room. So, like I said, the clean version of it. I really like it though. It's really cozy and we found a lot of great stuff secondhand and in sustainable shops, so I really like it. We have a lot of hidden storage, which is great, and the table is one of those that you can fold down when you don't use it, so we have a lot of great space. So as you can see behind me, we have chosen to have a double bed in here, which is both really practical right now, but also if we want to use it for something else afterwards, it works really great for us. So moving on, here's the bathroom. Not too big, not too small, but I really like it, and I really love that we have a bathtub. That's my favorite. I have some art of mine on the wall. Or not mine, I haven't made it, but that I've chosen. And then we have some of the kids' art. That turquoise wasn't their favorite, obviously. I have made this art wall with some old frames, and I put in some different pictures, both of our family but also some vinyl. I think it's really nice, and mixing a lot of secondhand pieces gives you a more personal feeling than just, you know, going by a ready-made collection. And now we're in the living room. If it's something I bought more of since I started decluttering, it's green plants. I really like them, and it gives me a really nice, cozy feeling in my home. It's also nice since it freshens the air, so I really like it. So just like for the other rooms, we've chosen a lot of secondhand pieces. There's gonna be a frame wall here too, but I've only found one so far that I really liked. I really like to decorate with secondhand since you get your own personal mix. Sometimes it takes a little longer, but I really like it. And I think there are a lot of great finds out there if you just go out and look. So I really like this cozy corner, even though the couch is quite dirty. but we're not gonna change it until the kids are older. Doesn't feel like a good idea right now. So here's the part of our living room that I didn't have time to deal with yesterday. I sometimes wish that my laundry would just fold itself and just put itself into our closets. And here's the balcony that you've already seen, probably. Yeah, so like I said, I really like this place. It really feels like home now after a year, and we found some really good stuff for it. I really need to fix the curtains though. It's been too long since we got them. They were a gift from a family member, so that was really nice, but I haven't gotten around to take care of them. I really like to pick some wildflowers now that there are a lot of beautiful flowers in season here in Sweden. You really don't need to buy a lot of imported flowers to decorate your home. And when it comes to the house plants, of course, you can get a lot of cuttings from friends or go to like swap events and get new plants. It's a really nice and sustainable way to do it, and it's also more social. And now we're going into the bedroom. So here it is. We've chosen quite a calm color on the walls here. That's pretty much what we've done since we moved in here. We painted the walls because we didn't want them white. I've realized that over the time that I like a minimalist style in some ways, but I really don't like white walls. Because if you have some kind of wall color, then you don't need that much decoration in general. It just works really smoothly. And here I have my desk. It's super old and it's actually engraved from 1912 when someone got it. So it's really cool and it has a hidden storage space. Dried flowers is also a really nice way to decorate your home in a sustainable way. And you can also use little rocks as decorations. We have a lot of storage in here, but we also have this bed frame from IKEA that we got for our last apartment. So it's really nice to have the storage hidden away. And now we're going into the kitchen. We actually have one door to the kitchen from the bedroom and one from the hallway, so you can go around like that. And I really like our kitchen. We renovated it when we moved in because it was a 50s kitchen. The counter was really low and we would have had to get electricity since they didn't have a lot of coffee makers and stuff, and we didn't have a microwave, and we didn't have a washing machine or a dishwasher, so there were many things. We looked into the option of renovating it and keeping what we already had, but it would have been really expensive and advanced, so we're really happy about it. And I really like this gray. It felt quite boring to get a white kitchen. Like I said before, I think some color is nice, but it's still very nice and smooth and simple. We have a lot of good storage in here too, so that's really nice. And of course I have a lot of thrifted stuff in the kitchen as well. So that was it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit thumbs up if you like it, and let me know in the comments if there's something else you want to see, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love to hear your thoughts and ideas if you have any. So have a nice week. Let's stay in touch.